Welcome to XM.com for today's Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Cristina Marujos. There was no end in sight to the US dollar's losing streak at the start of the new trading week as the greenback brushed at more than 2.5-year lows against the basket of currencies. With the vaccine news giving long-term economic prosperity a shot in the arm and expectations that the Federal Reserve will have to prop things up in the interim with additional stimulus, the U.S. currency has seen its safe haven appeal fade significantly over the last month. Expectations that the Fed will have to boost its asset purchases have been steadily rising in recent weeks. Fed Chief Jerome Powell may get his last chance to telegraph the central bank's next move at the two-day congressional hearing on Tuesday and Wednesday before the blackout period begins at the end of the week. Investors will also be keeping a close watch on the November jobs report due on Friday for further Fed easing. Global equities look set to end the month with record gains, even as shares were mostly in the red today. Asian stocks were unable to hold on to earlier gains made on the back of upbeat manufacturing PMI data out of China, and most major European indices opened in negative territory. U.S. stock futures were down too, though the Nasdaq was attempting to claw back some gains. The United Kingdom could become the first country to approve Pfizer-BioNTech's vaccine, and that could be one reason why London's FTSE 100 was outperforming its peers on Monday. The other is Brexit. Positive rhetoric in the Brexit negotiations is supporting British assets today, with the pound edging slightly higher against the dollar. The UK's Foreign Minister Dominic Raab described this week as very significant, hinting that the talks could run into early next week if there is sufficient progress. Fishing rights is thought to be the last major hurdle, and it may yet copper a deal. The euro was also in a perky mood on Monday as it aimed to close in on the $120 level. Oil prices drifted lower as the OPEC and non-OPEC group of countries met to discuss whether to extend existing output cuts beyond December. Most reports point to a compromise ranging between 2 and 4 months. Both WTI and Brent prices were down sharply, but managed to come off earlier lows. This was today's Daily Market Comment here at XM.com. Have a great week.